Good morning, class.
Good morning.
God bless you. No Sunday school exam. No cheating. No jamming. The time. You're not waiting. Yes. What is it?
It's one.
Guys, one.
Yes, sir, you're thinking.
Okay. Please, no jamming. No jamming. Please, no jamming. No talking, please, no jamming. Please, no talking. Mr. Master, you read your Bible. You read any book. What? You made 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Come on, who read the Bible? Then Sunday school. We are doing exam now. You are doing rubbish. Remain 5 minutes.
I be boy, let me play this thing. So we will write everything again. Like that is not smart.